Assalamu Alaykum everyone. Today I'm gonna show you a simple hijab tutorial. I was trying to make a easy hijab tutorial that looks cute and simple. Finally I made a easy hijab tutorial by myself. I really love to wear hijab in different styles that looks cute, simple and easy to wear. In this hijab tutorial, I used for safety pin, 3 hijab pin, and 1 cute heart hijab pin. So, this is the cute heart hijab pin. It looks so cute when I wear it on my hijab. So it's time to finish off my hijab. You can use this hijab style when you're going to school, college or somewhere else. So, I'm almost done. This is the final look of my hijab tutorial. Backside look. One more thing. I put 1 pin on each side. So I'm done. If you like this hijab tutorial, then below a cute comment in this video. Allah Hafiz.